All right, for 9, 10, 11, and 12, it says describe the end behavior of the graph of the function and give a rough sketch. End behavior basically means as it goes to the right or to the left. Where are the ends? Are they up or are they down? Are they going to positive or negative infinity? And give a rough sketch. We're basically asking you, say, well, how many humps does this one have? And what does it look like? Okay? And if you haven't looked at 7 or 8, or if the idea of why the degree is what it is, how that relates to number of turns, then you need to go back and watch 7 and 8. I'm not going to go over that as specifically. So, number 9, first things first. They want to describe the end behavior and the graph of the function, and graph the function real quick. So, the leading coefficient is a -3. So this is going to come up from the negative side. It's going to come up from the bottom. And the highest degree is 6. So we're going to have 5 turns. Remember, the degree is 1 higher than the number of turns. So when we graph this sucker, we'll start in the bottom, and we're going to have 5 turns. So 1 turn, 2 turn, 3 turn, 4 turn, 5 turn. And if you really want to get specific, technically the y-intercept is this one over here by itself, so it's positive 6. So that is a positive 6. You don't have to write that. I'm just being picky. Okay. These bottom pieces, this has to do with the end behavior. End behavior simply means what is the line doing at the end, over here and over there. So, as x approaches infinity, that is how you read that. As x approaches infinity. Basically, as x moves right. Y approaches what? In this case, y is going down. As we move forward, y is going down. So y is approaching negative infinity. Okay? As x approaches negative infinity, again, x, arrow is the approaches, negative infinity. So as x is going to the left, y is going up. So is up positive or is up negative? It's positive. So as x approaches negative infinity, y is approaching positive infinity. All right? That is the bottom line, what's going on here. This is one of those things that tends to confuse the mess out of people. I really have no idea why, other than the fact is, to understand why this is happening is not necessarily something easy to come by. I don't think I understood why this was true for a long time. So sometimes just accept it as a fact and move on with life. All right? Accept it as a fact and move on with life. All right? So if you're willing to do that, this will be easy. Number 10. Let's keep going. First things first, let's find the highest degree. The highest degree is this one right here. Yay! 3x to the 5th. So, let's sketch it. It's positive, so we're going to start up from the right. The 3 is positive, so we're going to start up from the right. And the degree is 5. So, we're going to have 4 turns. Remember, the degree is 1 more than the turns. So here we go. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, I knew my y-intercept was -2, so I made it negative down here. That's a -2. We're not expecting you to do that, but again, it's not a bad thing to know. So for this one, if I were you, I would go ahead and venture a guess for these 2 marks right there. See if you can do it. But if not, let's keep going. As x approaches infinity, so basically as x is going to the right, y is going up. So y is going to positive infinity. As x approaches negative infinity, so basically as x is going left, y is also going up. So y is also going to positive infinity. So no matter which way you go, as you reach the infinities, they're both going positive. We're going to the right forever, we go up. We go left forever, we also go up. All right? At this point, I would encourage you to try 11 and 12 on your own. Try 11 and 12 on your own. But either way, here we go. First things first, find the highest degree. That one right there. So my highest degree is 6. My leading coefficient is 3. It's a positive 3. So we are starting from the upper right-hand corner. And we're going to turn 5 times. It's positive, so it's upper right-hand. The index is 6, so we move 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I was not so good at putting my y-intercept right here, so I'm going to be a dork and fix that. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. That is, x is positive 6. Right? And my handwriting's beautiful, I know. So for this one, as x approaches infinity, y also approaches infinity. Because as x is going to the right, y is going up. As x approaches negative infinity, y approaches infinity again. Because as x goes left, y is also going up. Y is going up again. Right? Number 12, last one, highest exponent is 5, so the degree is 5. So we're going to have 4 turns. The leading coefficient is negative 3. So we start from the upper right or the bottom left? Bottom right. Bottom right. So here we go. We need what? 4? So 1, 2, 3, 4. And Mr. Hunter was better this time about making the y-intercept at a feasible position. And last but not least, as x approaches infinity, as x is going to the right, y is going down. So y is approaching negative infinity. As x approaches negative infinity, basically as x goes left, y goes up. So y is approaching positive infinity.